The Industrial Revolution, a period of unprecedented technological advancement beginning in the late 18th century, dramatically transformed the world. This era saw a monumental shift from agrarian societies to industrialized ones, fueled by innovations in manufacturing, transportation, and technology. The impact of this revolution extended far beyond the factory floor, profoundly influencing the built environment and giving rise to a new typology of architecture, industrial buildings. Before the Industrial Revolution, buildings were primarily constructed using traditional materials like wood and stone. These structures, often limited in size and scope, served a variety of purposes, from residential homes to small workshops. However, the advent of mass production and the need for larger, more efficient spaces demanded a radical departure from traditional building methods. The Industrial Revolution's insatiable appetite for increased production drove the development of new building technologies and materials. Architects and engineers tasked with creating structures capable of housing large-scale manufacturing processes turned to innovative solutions to meet these unprecedented demands. The result was the emergence of industrial architecture, a new building typology characterized by functional design, innovative materials, and a focus on efficiency. This new architectural style would forever change the face of cities and the landscape of labor. One of the most significant innovations of the Industrial Revolution was the widespread adoption of cast iron as a building material. Cast iron, with its remarkable strength and ability to be molded into various shapes, offered new possibilities for architects and engineers. Unlike traditional masonry construction, cast iron allowed for the creation of larger spans and more open interior spaces, essential for accommodating the large machinery and efficient workflows of industrial processes. The use of cast iron columns and beams, often prefabricated off-site and assembled on-site, significantly reduced construction time and costs. This new technology facilitated the rapid expansion of factories and mills, becoming synonymous with the burgeoning industrial landscape. The Crystal Palace, built in London for the Great Exhibition of 1851, exemplified the potential of cast iron and glass construction. However, cast iron's limitations soon became apparent. Its vulnerability to fire and susceptibility to buckling under heavy loads led to the exploration of alternative materials. While cast iron continued to be used in some applications, a new material was on the horizon, poised to revolutionize construction: steel. The late 19th century witnessed the rise of steel as the dominant material in industrial architecture. Stronger and more fire-resistant than cast iron, steel allowed for even larger spans and taller structures, ushering in the era of skyscrapers and massive factories. The development of the Bessemer process, which enabled the mass production of high-quality steel, further fueled its adoption. Alongside steel, reinforced concrete emerged as another revolutionary material. This composite material, combining the compressive strength of concrete with the tensile strength of steel, offered unparalleled design, flexibility, and durability. Reinforced concrete allowed for the creation of complex shapes and cantilevered structures, opening up new possibilities for industrial buildings. The combined use of steel and reinforced concrete led to the development of new structural systems such as the skeleton frame. This system, where a grid of steel or concrete columns and beams supports the building's weight, freed the exterior walls from their traditional load-bearing role, allowing for larger windows and more flexible interior spaces. The early 20th century saw the emergence of architects who embraced the possibilities of these new materials and technologies, creating iconic industrial buildings that pushed the boundaries of design and engineering. Sir Owen Williams, a British engineer and architect, is renowned for his pioneering work with reinforced concrete. His designs, such as the Boots D10 factory in Nottingham, showcased the material's versatility and aesthetic potential. Wallace, Gilbert and Partners, another prominent architectural firm of the time, specialized in designing industrial buildings, particularly factories and warehouses. Their innovative use of steel and concrete, coupled with a focus on functionality and efficient layouts, resulted in highly successful and influential structures. The Hoover Building in London, with its striking Art Deco facade, remains a testament to their innovative approach. These architects and their contemporaries played a crucial role in shaping the industrial landscape of the 20th century, demonstrating the potential for beauty and functionality to coexist in industrial buildings. Their work laid the foundation for future generations of architects to continue pushing the boundaries of industrial design.